Hi everybody, welcome to another render demo, how to draw video tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to draw ice skates. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna draw the main portion of the boot shape. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with a shape like this, up here for the top, something like that at a upward angle. Then I'm gonna come down like this. And that's going to be where my toe is. And then for the heel, we're going to come in like this and then come back out. Something like that. And right here, we're going to be up a little bit higher than in the toe. And we're going to come down like this. And then like that. And if you want to make some adjustments, go ahead and tweak these just a little bit. Get this a little bit pointier, just like that. And something like this. Okay, so that's going to be my skate, the boot section. So what I want to do from here is we're going to do like a heel piece. So we're going to come down and then we're going to flatten this part here like that. We're going to come up. So it's actually going to look like a boot to start off with. And then we'll follow this shape like this. And then we'll extend this down like that. Okay. The next step is to...
I'm having trouble connecting. I'll keep trying.
The next step is to add in the heel piece of leather here. So we're just going to follow the back side like this. And then we'll do the eye stay area where we're going to put our laces. So we're going to start at the top. This is going to be wider than the heel was. So we're going to come down, just going to kind of follow the shape. And then we're going to stop about here. We're not going to go all the way down to the toe. We're going to stop about there. Okay, the next step will be, let's put in the blade of the skate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw from the center of this heel, we're going to draw these shapes kind of coming out like this. I'm going to do one from about here like that. And then we can go towards the toe area and this will be curved like this. Okay, and what we want to do is try to get our lines here kind of like lined up a little bit, right? Just something like that. So these lines here will come through like this. And there's going to be one here like this. And then this one here will actually come down, and this is going to be the thickness of our blade. And it'll have a slight bow to it, a slight curve. And back here, it'll kind of come down to a point almost, something like that. And then in the front, so these are like figure skating skates. So in the front, they have like these little teeth that are kind of notched in. And this is in order for them to kind of like bite the ice and stop really quick so that they can do some high spins, things like that. Change like their direction for rotations. Okay, so we got our blade in. Then we can go in and draw some circle shapes for the laces. We're gonna stop about here. I'm gonna leave room for about 4 like metal hooks. And then what we can do is we'll draw our laces in. So for each lace, we'll kind of draw a shape like this. So it's kind of round at the top. Okay, next I'll add some stitching. And then we'll just add some decorative lines for this wooden lower portion that the blade kind of attaches to. I'm gonna go in and use a marker, ink pen. I'll marker this in and then we'll add some color. Okay, we just completed our ice skate in a few simple steps. So we used just a light gray, kind of like more of a white colored boot portion, and we added a little bit of a bluish tint to the blade itself. So hopefully yours turned out as cool as ours did. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel down below. That way you'll be able to see upcoming video tutorials from Render Demo. Again, have a good one, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.